Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our team will present our statistical quality improvement project. We are looking at a case study of Ayam Gepuk Sultan at the UUM Alumni Junction, specifically focusing on strategies to improve their customer waiting times. Our research and project team consists of 4 members: myself, Aman Azim, Nur Atirah, Edris Shah, and Balkis Huda. To give a brief background, Ayam Gepuk Sultan is a rapidly growing local brand. While they have successfully expanded to commercial branches in Changlun and Kanga, our focus today is their primary student branch right here at UUM. It is highly recognized for its student-friendly pricing and customizable menu. Their signature product is authentic, flourless fried chicken paired with a garlic chili paste that is manually crushed on a stone mortar to order. They operate on a high volume quick service model, which is customer queue, pay at the cashier, receive a number, and wait for their meal to be assembled and handed over at the counter. The core issue we identified is excessively long waiting time during the peak academic lunch rush between 12:30 p.m. and 2:30 p.m. Currently, the average cycle time is 20 to 25 minutes, far above the 10-minute industry standard. The manual pestle smashing process creates a massive bottleneck when large wave of students arrive. This operational delay leads to queue abandonment, heavily crowded walkways, and severe kitchen worker fatigue. Okay, for the next one is Six Sigma matrix. So, to address this, we frame our Six Sigma matrix. Our critical to quality focus is service responsiveness. The key process output variable, which is the KPOV, we are measuring is the total order cycle time. And our target is to drop it below 15 minutes, a 40% reduction. The input variables driving this time include the number of active smashing stations, assembly line speed, frying batch sizes, and customer arrival rates. Our project charter formalizes this goal. We are strictly keeping our scope to the lunch hour operations at UUM campus branch, focusing entirely on counter flow, frying, sambal smashing, and packaging. External branches and supply chain logistics are completely out of scope. By achieving our target, we expect to see higher transaction volumes and optimize labor productivity. Finally, for my part, our support maps give a high-level view of the operation, from our raw material suppliers down to the end customers, mostly UUM students and staff. Most importantly, mapping the process phase clearly isolate step 3, which is the manual sambal smashing. This is the definitive bottleneck zone we must target to improve the entire system's flow. To take you through our next steps, I will now pass the floor to Atirah.
Thank you to the previous presenter. For our measure phase, we collected baseline data via a Google Form survey from 34 UUM students and customers at Ayam Gepuk Sultan. Looking at our histogram, the most frequent waiting time is 5 to 10 minutes, but severe delays stretch past 20 minutes during peak hours. In quality control, this widespread proof our process is highly unstable and consistently fails our target of under 8 minutes. This critical gap justifies exactly why we must identify the root cause.
Moving into the analyze phase, our objective was to isolate the true root causes of customer delays. Based on our survey feedback, we captured 67 total votes across 5 operational failure categories. Applying the Pareto principle, we discovered that just 3 core issues account for a massive 82% of all customer complaints. These mental few bottlenecks are kitchen understaffing during peak lunch hour at 33%, long payment queues due to slow cashier processing at 30% and running out of fried chicken batch meat service at 19%. To understand why these breakdowns happen, we map them into this Ishikawa fishbone diagram. Under manpower, we found an inelastic staffing model where crew size stay flat despite a massive lunch rushes. Under method, a lack of predictive demand forecasting leads to reactive cooking cycles. Finally, under machine, slow point of sale terminal stall the cashier line, while a total lack of specialized crushing machinery slows down the manual gepuk station. By locking our focus onto these three critical root causes, we are fully prepared to maximize our impact in the upcoming improve phase. Thank you, and over to the next presenter.
By targeting just three bottlenecks, which is chicken shortage, slow cashiering, and chicken stockouts, we can eliminate 82% of our service delays at Ayam Gepuk Sultan. We will tackle this by introducing a pre-non-meals in place, a dual-line QR ordering system, and a batch frying schedule using heat holding cabinets. This low-cost, highly feasible solution will be sustained by strict quality control and two clear targets, keeping our speed of service under 8 minutes and maintaining zero stockouts during the lunch rush.